Choked voice, Romancha Kampa Sutaranga Bhaju. Choked voice, hair standing in it, and tears flowing, and heart melting. This melting of the heart is called Mashishnu. This is one of the symptoms at the level of Bhava, I believe. Sri Krishna Karshati and Mashishnu, then Sanjanatma Visheshatma, and Sri Krishna Sankarshani. So at the level of prema, there are 6 characteristics of pure devotional service. So at the level of prema, it's Sri Krishna Sankarshani and Sanjanatma Visheshatma, that you experience it. You attract Krishna. You attract Krishna and control Krishna by your love, by your prema, at prema level. Krishna prema. And then you Chandra Atma Visheshatma. Your Atma becomes, Chandra means concentrated, very special Chandra Ananda, very special bliss you experience. At the level of Bhava, there's 2 symptoms of the 6 symptoms of pure devotional service. This is a nectar devotion. And that one of them is Hridya Mashishnu. Your heart becomes melted. It becomes very soft. Your heart becomes very soft when you're full of Bhava.